Okay, so here is the free course, Japanese language course offered by Japan Foundation called Minato. Now, once you open this website, I'll keep a link of that in the description area. You can see that there are a lot of different courses here. You can see Marugoto A11 Katsudo. Those who are familiar with the Marugoto textbooks of Japan Foundation would be able to understand what A1 and A2 mean. So if you click on any of the, if you're not familiar, you can just click on any of the course tiles there, and then you can see all the topics that are covered. So you can see the different lessons that are there. By teaching materials, you don't need to buy anything. Most of the material, almost everything is available on the website itself, and you can see the completion requirements as well. So let's say you want to go for this course, the first level one, Marugoto A11. You can just click on this, but you need to register for the course. So if you click on course registration, you'll be taken to a place where you need to now register on the website itself, Minato. So it's a one-time registration and it's free. So if you click on this, you'll be taken to a page where you need to provide details such as email address, set a password, and so on. So once you set the password, and this is how the page looks once you log in with your ID and password. And when you click on this, you'll see that this is your page. Okay, so here is an example of, here's how it looks inside once you click on this, the online course site. So this is how the lesson is organized. So if I click over here, you can see that there are 5 steps in this lesson. For lesson 1 here, you have know the topic, know the goals, and then you get to first learn the word, practice the word, and towards the end in step 4 you have practice and challenge. So in step 1 is knowing about the objective of the whole class or the lesson, and in step 2 you get to listen to a lot of audio files, and then you get to practice the word, know the word and when to use it, and then towards the end you get to you practice, and there's a challenge. So here is an example of challenge. So if I click on this, you can switch off English translations here, as you can see here. And so what you'll see is that you'll have a scenario where you have to react. So at this moment, when this U turns up is when you can respond. So if you switch off the your turn, your script won't be visible there. So if you think you're comfortable enough, you can switch this off during the challenge. If you want to if you just want to remember the word again, try the word again, you can click on this, and then the script will show up. So in this way, once you're done with all the steps, so I would recommend not to skip the steps, go through each of these, and towards the end you have a last step 5, which is a self-assessment of how well you did. So if I tick the bar here to the third one, that means I've done well. So this is quite important to note down the comments, how you felt about the class, what you think you need to improve. So this will help you as you learn, as you go further in the lessons. So yes, so this is how the Minato course is structured. And then if you can go ahead and go through all the lessons in a similar fashion. And on the top right, you have my page there, and there are a lot of other options such as introduction to Japanese, grammar materials, and a lot of other sources which you can go ahead and check on your own.